Here at Ecofiber Innovations, we utilize the raw materials of the surrounding landscape to create sustainable hygiene solutions.
At Ecofiber Innovations, we're redefining waste. This agricultural byproduct
Is truck 3 unloaded yet?
Almost. Sending the last pallet now.
Careful with that stack.
Ensure the diameter is exactly within spec.
42 millimeters. Premium grade confirmed.
Workers in full cleanroom suits guide fibers onto the sanitized mesh conveyor, entering the UV sterilized tunnel dryer, where distribution is precisely measured.
Repulse. In fiber processing, automated cutting machines precisely slice dried fibers into exact 3 millimeters. Soft organic cotton top sheet material is fed from an overhead spool. An ultrasonic bonding system.
Automated folding mechanisms creating pad wings with precision, adhesive strips being applied to wings for underwear attachment, final pad shape being cut and formed. Quality control technicians conduct absorbency tests, measuring absorption rates with digital timers and examining fiber structure via microscopy.
This side-by-side comparison highlights the critical difference our banana fiber technology makes for a sustainable future. While conventional sanitary pads take 800 years to decompose, banana fiber pads biodegrade.
This job changed my life. I started on the line, and now I'm training for a supervisor role. The opportunity.
Innovation is at the heart of everything we do. Our expansion allows us to accelerate the development of sustainable solutions for a brighter future.